This is the Buffalo Blizzard update. The cleanup section is in full detail. Some cars are still trapped. And this is an area that wasn't hit as hard. But what I want to show y'all is up here at the corner. These are what you're going to see on a lot of corners in what is known as the hood, inner city, urban area, whichever description fits best. Plows has been busy. I did come across another plow that was stuck on my way to work last night, but I was running late, so I didn't record. Hit the like button, subscribe to my channel. Let me know what type of content you guys are interested in, whether it be weather update, sport reactions, MMA reactions, news. There's a lot of stuff going on that people probably not aware of, but here's an intersection. Now, how is a car supposed to get by this? The struggle is real. We are digging out. Stay safe.